In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Bank of America debit card to your PayPal account. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes of your time, but it's a crucial step for seamless online transactions. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to use your Bank of America debit card directly from your PayPal account for easier and quicker payments. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the PayPal app on your phone. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it available for free on both iOS and Android app stores. Once you have the app opened, go ahead and sign in using your registered PayPal email and password. This is your gateway to managing all of your linked financial tools within PayPal, including your debit cards. Once you're logged in, look at your home screen and locate the option called Wallet. Depending on your app version, you might find it either on the bottom menu or the top, but it's usually pretty prominent. Tapping Wallet will lead you to a screen displaying all of your currently linked banks and credit or debit cards. This is where we're going to add your Bank of America debit card. Now, you're going to tap on the plus add a card option. When you select this, PayPal provides options to add debit, credit, or prepaid cards. Choose the appropriate option, which in our case is the debit card. Next, it's time to enter your card details. Carefully type in your Bank of America debit card number, its expiration date, and the card's security code, also known as CVV. Pay close attention here, as accuracy is vital to ensure the information entered matches what's on your card exactly. It's equally important to ensure the billing address you enter aligns perfectly with the address linked to your Bank of America account to avoid any verification hiccups. Once you've reviewed and confirmed that everything is accurate, tap on the Add Card button. At this point, PayPal may perform an ownership verification by sending a small temporary charge, usually less than $2, to your debit card. This isn't a charge you'll keep, it's just to verify the card is active and belongs to you. You'll see this charge reflected in your Bank of America transaction list, and it may come with a verification code you'll need to input back in the PayPal app if prompted. Finally, once verification is complete, your Bank of America debit card will now be visible in your PayPal wallet. This means you've successfully linked your card. From here on, you can select it when making payments or transferring funds, granting you more flexibility and control over your transactions. And there you have it, a simple way to link your Bank of America debit card to PayPal. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your online transactions smoother.